Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of how to avoid scratchy sound. We talked about in the part 1 the trifecta of bowing. What was number 1 trifecta? It was the speed. What was number 2? It was the pathway. Number 3 it was the pressure. Now I want to talk about a little bit about the left hand. Okay, it's also important because we're gonna be playing some notes. We're not gonna doing open string for bajillions of years, right? Now, on the left hand, I want you to have this joint above the fingerboard, so only thing you have to do is the pressing down on the string. Sometimes I see player having like this. You have to go up and down. That's, it's one more work, isn't it? If you can minimize the work of what you intend to do, better. So, when you press down, a lot of people I see, they kind of lean on it. So let's see, you want to press down on this note here, D1. They don't go like this, which you're supposed to. They kind of like, kind of lean on it. So if you lean on it, it's going to make this kind of sound. Did you hear that? If you only half press it, it's not going to make any kind of sound. It's kind of like dead note. It's kind of like a muting the guitar when you kind of like just touch it. So what's happening is you just touching it and then give it a gradual pressure. We don't want that. You want to strike it and strike it true and strike it accurately and strike it swiftly. Yeah, so like this. Just do that. You hear it, right? But I'm not really like, just the speed of the coming down. It's accurate and it's strong enough to make that sound. Okay, now let's incorporate the bow. Now a lot of intermediate player, they kind of stop the bow while they change the note. They go like this. The pressure and the speed is not even throughout when they change the note. So let's avoid that. So we're just gonna go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna keep this speed steady, and then we're gonna keep the pathway steady, and then we're gonna gradually add the pressure as we go to the tip. Get it? So what was the point of all this? Don't slow down your bow as the note changes. Yeah? Don't do this. Or kind of like a pulse of the pressure. So try to avoid that. Okay, the second thing is try to avoid too much separation of sound between you going up and down. Okay, so what are they doing is you kind of stop and then there's too much break it between you going up and down. Okay, so we want to actually make it sound like you're not going up and down at all, even though you're doing separate bows. You want to sync it as this is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is going up, down, yeah? Correct way, and this is no. That's the wrong way. Sometimes the composer will ask for that, but if they don't ask for that, why do it? Sounds weird, right? All right. And the third thing I want to talk about is, I'm always going to be talking about this, so it's so important. You want to fade the phrase, end of the phrase. You want to phrase the melodic phrase by fading the end. So does that all make sense? You have to kind of really analyze what's going on with your playing. Am I, number one, doing all the trifecta of the bowing? Am I taking too much time between the note changes? Am I going too slow on the bow changes, on the note changes? Am I fading at the end of the phrase? All these things you have to kind of analyze. All right, so I can't really tell you what you're doing wrong without seeing you, So you have to analyze it yourself. Anyway, I hope that really helped. And that's the best tip I can give you on the quality of sound. There's no trick to this. You just have to play a lot of song with constant self-evaluation. Alright, until next time, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.